Deepak, happy to have you here in Security BSides Conference 2024 edition. Quickly, I want you to introduce and pick your brain on certain aspects of cybersecurity, your views and thoughts. Over to you.
Absolutely, Dr. Ram. My name is Deepak. I work as a head of security for a UK retail organization. And this is me supporting the community as well, being part of BSides Bangalore.
Awesome. Thanks for being here. Let me start with knowing your views and thoughts on the evolving cyber threatscape today.
I think on the cyber threat landscape, it's constantly changing and increasing. Every breaches multiply problems for the organization. It's no more a single organization battle. It's like a joint community, joint conversation, joint body of industries, meeting together and doing that. Otherwise, there are companies who are going to be left out, and then they are going to be significantly impacted due to. And for example, the evolution of what we saw in Gen AI and other technologies, they're going to be, having a side effect on cyber as well, as an example. Awesome.
So I think what you're driving at is the pace of change in technology, emergence of new technologies like Gen AI adds to the fire and adds fuel to the fire. And also the cost of committing a cyber crime is much cheaper than cost of defense, right?
Exactly.
So that again is pretty scary. Now that you brought up the topic of Gen AI, I want to check with you whether you have implemented Gen AI for enhancing cybersecurity, or you have some use cases.
Absolutely. I think Gen AI is a thing which can be adapted in multiple places, even to understand customer journeys. If you've got a customer-facing product, you can understand customer journeys to understand that, is any journeys malicious or anything. So it's in the detection space, right? A lot of these advantages, are there. It's all about, how much companies have got data about customers, suppliers and everything, and using Gen AI to understand behaviors and non-behaviors, non-idealistic scenarios, and using that as a signal to evolve. Okay. It's a continuously evolving situation of companies, adapting these things, and must adapt, otherwise they would be left behind.
Okay, good. And any top 3 things that you would recommend to improve cybersecurity?
Yeah, so one of the things I said is that, it's no more a one company battle. One company's breach can be another company's breach on any other day. So it's a society thing. It's governments and everybody else who needs to support that, as an industry, as a consortium, right? They need to battle this together. Second thing is the cyber is not like a boardroom discussion. It's a board meeting discussions, right? It needs to be accepted that there's nothing like 100% security. The moment you accept that there is 100% security, your perimeters are safe, I think you are probably making a big mistake, right? So that's accepting the fact that, it's no more that thing is one of the biggest, achievements which can enhance cybersecurity.
Yeah, you're right. I would agree. No sane CISO would ever give guarantees that we are 100% secure. And of course, cybersecurity is more of a business risk today, more than technical. It's transcended beyond the technical risk long back. And finally, I would want to ask you, what are your key takeaways from today's conference?
Well, I think every year the BSides community, or any general cybersecurity community, right, is very vibrant. A lot of young talent are coming in and learning what's happening. They're also building career paths and everything. As an organization, as a country, there are so many challenges. I think these are the communities which can help bridge talent and problems the organizations have got.
Awesome. Thank you, Deepak, for sharing your expertise and your thoughts. Happy to have you here.
Thank you, Mr.